ask you to be home by?
Mom, I'm home.
Damn it!
Mom, I just got home. Why are you yelling?
What time did I ask you to be home by?
6 o'clock?
Exactly! And what time is it now?
Let me see here. 6:01.
So you're late! You're mad because I'm 1 minute late? Simon, when I tell you to get back at 6, it's because I care about your safety. It was 1 minute! What could happen in a minute? You could have been robbed, run over, mauled to death by a wild polar bear.
Are you geographically challenged?
Put yourself in my shoes. If you're late, it's basically my responsibility as a mother to basically assume that you're dead.
Mom, I don't need a curfew. I can take care of myself.
But you're just a baby! I'm 23! I'm legally an adult! You know what? I'm getting your father. Honey.
This ain't even funny anymore. What do you want?
Our son showed up 1 minute past curfew.
Okay, so what's the problem?
He's supposed to come back exactly when I tell him.
He's 23. He can do whatever he wants. I'm surprised he came back at all. Bye.
Get out!
Mom, I'm home.
Damn it!
Mom,